Hi, my name's Dale. A couple of years ago, I went on holiday. When I returned, I saw pictures. I was fat. I was actually quite horrified by the way I looked. I realised that I had low energy levels, my asthma was getting out of control, I carried on smoking, and then I met Anthony. And I was introduced to Anthony's ways of working. Since that time, I have lost an incredible amount of weight. My energy levels have returned, and I just feel so much more confident. It got to the point before Anthony where I'd stop going out and I'd just stop meeting people. The opposite is true now. I'm sort of back to my old self. In fact, I'd say I'm better than I was before. Anthony worked with me in such a holistic way. He was even able to acknowledge the emotional journey I was going through, and I felt that was very important. That helped me to commit to it. And I would say if you are feeling overweight, low energy levels, just low self-confidence, I would say get to meet Anthony and stick to his way of working, because it worked for me and I'm sure it will work for you.